Our righteous judge.
Oh, hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good evening. How are you? How are you? How was your day? Hope you guys are fine. Yes, today I won't speak Edo dialect. I won't use broken for this thing. What I won't say today, guys. Before I say what I want to share for you, guys, the news I want to share for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell in case any video I upload on my YouTube, so you can you understand. So guys, so what I won't say, today, you see, about this girl, Mrs. Vera Uwala Omosuwa death, about the killer of that girl, the poor girl, the innocent girl. May his soul rest in perfect peace. My people, come and look at the fact this something. If I dey look at the something, how the something dey be, I don't know as I dey look am. I don't know as I dey look am. Edo where ukonozo or who iwinyagbe, understand? Edo where ovie wari ovie woda. Orun pa bi omo. Wetin make me bring this matter be say, in fact, how they go somebody go inside church, go kill human being for inside church. Now it don't reach like that because of the things, evil things wey be say na they do. Now don't do for outside, that will not reach you now. Now inside church, to go inside church, to go they kill somebody for inside church. Or now one wait, make God, may not see how God will take the heart, or maybe God not there, be now waiting. You do where ama we not be no e wa kon no ama we na no gboma ya gbe na e wa kon gaga so fa mi aparu nu ya go. Sorry, I don't speak too much. If you go say be do no where to video. My people, the reason why they told this thing, they say e dey parable say dem no say person wey be say dey beat, you understand, make e no cry but make e see tongue, make e see lips wey be say go take cover the teeth. Na parable na be that. And this thing now wey I wan talk about now, I wan talk about this little girl now, the innocent girl wey killers just kill for Edo State. Owe Depo Gbobai, Owe Gbobai. My people, why e be say even though say na no fear human being, these killers na no fit fear God. God wey be say create una. Na God create everywhere, create the whole world. Na no fear God. Now don't do that because say na inside church and I wan go. And I wan use that one take give the general overseer, give am poor name. I been waiting. Say maybe God not come there or waiting dey happen. But no, just small girl. Due to the investigation, they say the girl na virgin. Wetin happen? Wetin happen? He come on to see virgin. Wait like that. I beg my people. This thing now will be say me I bring. All those things that me I dey like to talk about. They vex me. All those wicked hearts. All those hearts of evil. I dey come for now. Now all those wicked things that be say they vex me, really vex me. Where? Why it be say this innocent girl? They just kill her like that. Nigeria police, I want Edo State police. I want to please you guys. I know that you guys are doing your job. You are really working. Please. I want investigation. You guys should investigate very well. Edo where Ofenorio, Edo where Owamagbo yet setting, Edo where sometimes person feel to follow you or say find me show me your friend. I told you, you understand. So my people, hey, my God, since when they born me, when I grew rich like this, I never hear this kind of thing say they keep person for inside church. I never hear them. Since where I hear this matter, this one thing I don't cry tire. I don't cry tire. No, the question will be say me what heart. Where police go see support to the house. How this girl to enter inside that church? The church they don't close the church, or they open the church down, or they close the church. Somebody give the key to this girl, make it enter inside the church. Make they from there not investigate very well. Make they from there investigate. How this girl they enter inside there? And who open the door for the girl? And who? In fact, this sort of dey complicated by people. The way me I dey reason this matter, I don't be say no be now. So you say they reason with me, because that girl number one, that girl our brother, our sisters, that our brother. Because now I don't know whether now your sister or your brother, you don't know, but now our sister, or the man say she don't die. May he so rest in perfect peace. I don't know this girl, but I don't know. Maybe if you relate to me, if you relate to you, if you relate to anybody. Because this life now, you go born now, your pikin go still born, the other one go still born. That's so person. Everybody now one, everybody now sisters. We are one. Wetin they make person wetin they make people they kill themselves for just nothing. Just nothing. Agbonese salona. Agbonese salona. This heart now. Give you back all those things. Even though say you keep person, they do ritual, do this too. Wetin go follow you go? Nothing. Only your record and the things wey be say you do for life. Now it go take you there. Your money or your distance, everything are vanity upon vanity. You know go reach there. When you go reach there now, you go tell you say, see your this thing, your record, everything don't they book. And people, why wicked people they feel say maybe if they do this thing, say maybe they don't get judgment, they don't get hurt. You know concern them. Hey, this one now you believe say this one now double wickedness. Double hellfire is real. Double hellfire. Now those people they go. Now be say maybe now they feel say maybe now do the parents say maybe the parents they don't get anybody will be say go fight for them. The poor girl will be say now remove for this life. No, wetin that girl won't become. That feel say maybe they no go fit judge for them. You know, if judge for himself. Hey, this girl now they cry now where they now. You that do this evil act, and you that so send people to go and kill this girl. Or maybe you talk to this girl, maybe you approach the girl before the girl say you don't want. Maybe you try to do anything, to do evil, to plan it, to say, okay, I want to sleep with this girl. Or I want friend this girl. This girl say no, you don't want. Is it crime? A crime never. A crime never. No crime. Crime not there. So what it can be say, what it can lead to say you go carry person, you go keep person for inside church. Inside the house of God, inside the house of our maker, our heavenly Father, the creator of the whole world, the creator of the universe. Oh my God, I don't believe that maybe those people that do this thing. I don't even see this thing now will be say Edowe, no matter ebo or TUK. Even though say maybe the parents, even though say they don't cause, they don't talk, but this they cause now. Don't they follow their generation to generation? Except say only thing we will be say maybe you go yours do. Carry yourself and your people will be say how now they do the matter. Go present yourself to the police. So or to the parents. Tell them confess. That is the only way you will see the light of God. If not, there is nothing. Nothing for you. Look by all. Nah, evil no, this evil act will be seen they do now. Now they do this evil, say maybe oh boy day, nothing they happen. Many people will be say nothing they happen. All of them they all of them don't go air fire. All of them don't go air fire. Air fire. You they see air fire. They see double air fire. They see double air fire. Double air fire. Totally. They see. You go fair go one. That one will be times 2 again. Another one again. Now they plan this thing now. This small girl now will be saying kid now. You don't know whether now your blood or the son or the person relative now go come marry this girl tomorrow. And I don't know what this girl want become. I don't say the way. Oh yeah, agbe. Me na go carry na selfie. The way na take it this girl. Me na carry na self go present. Me na go confess. If not, you will never see the light of God. That generation will never see the light of God because now beg nah. That the person that will be say do this evil heart now. He get children. That children now, the children will be say they don't know anything about. Now all those things now go be say person will come the plan evil, come the judge. You understand? They don't know anything about. They don't know anything. Then will come they receive what be say the person don't know anything about. When go be say they will do party. The cause person go wake up, person go they grow, they come. You don't know what they happen. They plan evil. Now that this person go church, you go do this thing. They will call the cast. The generational. Now all those kind of things now they create, now they cause all those things. All those evil hearts will be said that they create put for ground for our children. May God continue to have mercy on you guys. You people that kid that girl, that poor girl, that Mrs. Vera Uwala Omozuwa. The family will God. Oh my God. I pray that the Almighty God will give them hearts to withstand this thing. This pain is too much. Yeah, now no IEB. We be say person go carry belle from one month to 9 months. Now not the pain. IEB. Doctor say the day we be say one born the baby. After that one say finish, the baby don't come now. The pay how you go take care of the children. The baby, it comes out to the waka. It comes out to the show how to talk, how to do things for life, how to go school, to come work, go. Maybe sometimes if you go sell pure water, if you go do what you not supposed to do to train the children. My God. Later, no. So now not wait. This something be. Whether the mama they carry they soak. Whether the mama don't go borrow money they take care of this child. Now no. The parents don't go borrow money they take care of this child. Now no. Now no waiting this girl want become in future. He want use their family. The parents they want proud of this child. Now that is the reason why this child. Oh my God. When I see the video, I don't feel look that video. As in a kill and so. Waiting I can't get. Now not when they go use they do pepper soup. Not be food they hungry now. Even though say I want to do experiment. Now you might be in body and want to do experiment. Now go virgin person, I don't know what they correct for inside. Nobody know what they do for inside that girl body now. I would say maybe now here in Europe here they will investigate where. Not the hand for that catch you now. Now that hand will be said the last hand will be said now use for them. That hand either for evil use or they find now rich house. That for sin. What I'm trying to say now is that I didn't say that the police people that are not trying. You guys have tried. Please, I want you guys to still try. They need justice for this girl. This girl matter. This is where they say yours they happen so. Eh? Why you go be say you go keep person for inside redeem, keep person for inside church? Then why try the pastor say maybe God not there been and waiting. They know they fear God again. God will be say create now. God will be say he make you now see they are alive today. That they create evil things for these people. Oh my God, my God. Anytime they remember this and they cry. They cry for my heart. My heart is beating. I say, God, why? What? I know that some people say, why God don't do this one, but God, the air fire is real. Hellfire is real. You better go and make